So, good afternoon, students. Today I will explain with you cross multiplication. Previously, I have discussed different types of process, that is elimination method, substitution method. Now, third part, that is exercise number 5.3, that is that cross multiplication method. Very carefully, you can watch. The process is little critical, nothing else that. So follow my process stepwise properly. What is the step 1? Suppose if I discuss the 1 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Clear? Okay. And so you keep everything in the left side. So 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear to all of you? 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Next. So carefully look the process. Whatever I am keeping that part, I keep everything in the left side. Keep my mobile stand little close. Okay. Okay. Now, next second part, 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. So, 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. Clear? Now, you write x, y and 1. Always keep x by say this, y by this and 1 by this. First you close the x part. Suppose if you can close the x part. Okay. So check it. Whenever I can close the x part, calculation start from here. 2 into 9, that is minus 18. Always in the middle section minus. Put bracket. So start here. This cross multiplication 2 into 9. Clear? And this 5 into minus 4. That is minus 20. Am I clear to all of you? Again you see. 2 into minus 9. Clear? And this side 4 into minus 4 into plus 5, minus 20. And always this side minus. Now y. Close the y. Start from in the next upper side. Minus 4 into 8. That is minus 32. Always put the minus sign here. 3 into 9. Minus 9 of course, 27. Clear? Y means y side 4 into 8. 3 into 9 plus a minus a minus, this side to minus as it is, and this also minus. Now next 1. 1 means this. Start from here. 3 into 5, 15. And this side minus 8 into 2, that is 16. Clear? Now, hope you have understood this part. Very carefully look that. Now, x by minus 18 plus 20, y by minus 32 plus 27, 1 by minus 1. Whenever, now next step, plus 2, minus 5, 1 by minus 1. Now whenever I think x, again block the y. That means block the y means x into minus 1, 2 into 1. Therefore, whatever you can get, x is equal to minus 2. And y, whenever y into minus 1, minus y, minus 5, minus 5. So y means 5. This is the answer. Am I clear to all of you? Hope you have understood this part. Okay. Next, another math I'll be wants to show you. Suppose I am showing you 2a, 2a, 2. Okay. Now I am showing to you 2a, 2. You see that in which way you can solve that part? 2bx plus ay is equal to 2ab. I have write it minus 2ab is equal to 0. Bx minus ay minus 4ab is equal to 0. Again write it x by this, y by this, 1 by this. So whenever I can do the x, how can I do the calculation x? Close it x term close. A minus 4a square. Always calculate what? For a square b. Coefficient of x, coefficient of y. In case of constant. So y coefficient a. So a multiply minus 4a square b. Always see the sign minus. Next this sign. Minus plus. 2ab into a. That means 2a square b. Clear to all of you? Okay. Next y. Start from here. Minus 2ab into b. That means minus 2ab square. And this sign and this sign. 2b into minus. That is minus 4ab square. Sorry, 4 to the 8. 8. And another sign. This will be the minus. Because minus plus. Here. 2b into a. Then minus 2ab. Minus a into b, ab. Understood? Always we can find out the coefficient of xy. So whatever you can get it, x by minus 4a square b minus 2a square b, here minus 2ab square minus plus 8ab square minus 3ab. Okay. So now next step, x by minus 6a square b, y by plus 6ab square minus 3ab. Now already I am saying whenever I can calculate the x, that means just to don't forget to do this, close this. Wherever you can get it, x is equal to this multiply 1 minus 6a square b by minus 3ab, minus cancel, 3 2 just 6, a b cancel, so you can get the 2a. And in case of y is close this part, the y is equal to, this will be go to upwards, 6ab square by minus 3ab, the minus come in first, 3 2 just 6, 2, a cancel, b square b minus 2b. So this will be the answer. Okay, so in this way you can practice it. I think stepwise you can follow my process. You have not faced any problem from this math, because I know that cross multiplication is little critical. That's why generally we never encourage the student to go through that process. But if generally in your exam it is not mentioned there which process you should be do for the this part, but you should learn. Otherwise, if you don't learn, then you don't know this process. So that's why it is better to you can learn the process. Generally, you can do best option you can do by using the your cross multi elimination method is the best method, I think. Elimination method, substitution method is the one of the another part. So you do that work that way, we have not faced any problem. But if anytime they be the marked in your exam that do by this process, then you must be follow the process. Okay, so please follow it. Goodbye to all of you.